Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to record an unboxing for you guys. I think this is my new phone. I am so excited. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Yes, guys. Let's put all this. Sorry about the shakiness of the camera, but I hope you guys enjoy. So yes, I have the Samsung S20. I'm so excited. I was so sick of iPhone. I have an iPhone now, but I'm just like, I want something different, you know? And my husband, he has the Note. So we're gonna be, oh, I'm sorry, you guys. We're gonna be the Samsung family. Let's open her up. This is in there. Like, come on. Real life footage, guys. The struggle is real. This phone must weigh a ton. Like, I don't have anything else to cut open. Just like, come out. Oh, we're getting somewhere. Come on. There we go. The struggle is real, guys. Guys, just look at that phone. Look at the beauty of it. Man. Samsung, y'all did yourself. Oh, okay. And of course, that's what I'm recording on. But look. Oh, it's beautiful. We'll do that later. But, oh my God, let's just turn her on. I know, Android girl, but it'll be all right. It'll be worth it. But yes, look at the freaking phone. Okay, let's put her to the side, let her turn on. So it comes with the charger, of course. Fast charger, look at that. I heard it's really fast. And then, of course, the charging cable. We'll use those. Let's plug that in there. I'm pretty sure the phone probably needs to charge. Oh, that's awkward. Look at it. It looks literally the same. I literally forgot which one. I've never had this phone, so obviously I'm gonna have to learn. And then of course it comes with, oh, they improved on the headphones. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Trying to be like Apple, but Samsung has always supposedly been better. Look at those. Got some new headphones for working out. It's pretty cool. Okay, I think that's all. Let's see what's in the top. Oh, just put a hole in that. Well, let's do it this. Nope. You guys, why does it have to be so difficult? Nothing's in there but just paperwork. That's great. Okay, well, there's that. Let's see. Wow. I'm going to enjoy this, guys. There will be more videos of me doing everything, setting it up. So I just wanted to do the unboxing with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm trying to post more videos since I do have a week of no work, being that the coronavirus is just going crazy. But please stay tuned, please subscribe, and there will be more videos soon. Bye, guys.